Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually filming in my new kitchen. For those of you who don't know, I just moved to a new apartment with my boyfriend Skylar and my sister Rocio. So we moved into a 2-bedroom apartment and I'm really excited about it because the apartment that we just moved from was not a very nice apartment and it had a lot of mold in it, which was really bad for our health, and we ended up actually being there for 2 years before we could actually afford to move. So we found a new apartment in like a pretty nice area of Portland. It's not like downtown, but it still is close to everything that we wanted it to be close to. So apartments in Portland are actually really expensive. They're not as expensive as like New York or LA would be, but they're still up there because Portland is a really popular city that a lot of people are moving to right now. So apartments are really hard to come by, and luckily we found a really good apartment that was completely remodeled for a pretty good deal in a location that's close to a lot of the things that we like. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you an empty house tour. I filmed it at night when we moved in, so it's a little bit darker than what I wanted it to be, but I will be filming a decorated apartment tour soon. We've been in here for about 2 days now, but there's still just like boxes everywhere. It's kind of crazy right now. So I will be showing you guys the decorated house tour soon, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, so here is the living room area. And then you walk to the left and here is mine and Skylar's room and our closet. We've got a window. And we have a little dining area right here. I think we're going to put like a little, we have like a round table, so our round table is gonna go here. And we've got a window. And straight ahead is the kitchen. So the kitchen has been remodeled. The appliances they're not like brand new, but they're pretty new. And we've got like a nice white subway tile, which I really like. And let's see, plastic laminate counters, pretty neutral, which is good. I like how the kitchen turned out. I really like white kitchens. There's the front door, there's Rocio, window. Then you walk down the hallway. So to the right is going to be Rocio's room. She has a little window and a little closet. The closet in my room's a lot bigger because it's technically the master. And then we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is remodeled and so is the kitchen. I'm pretty sure that the floors and the carpet are all new too. So this place is like brand new, like just remodeled. Yeah, so what I like about the bathroom is that it's really bright in here. It has like a really nice 3-light above the sink and a window in the shower too. So there's gonna be a lot of natural light in here, which is gonna be perfect for filming some videos. I also really like the color of the floors. They're just like a nice, warm, pretty brown color, not too red or anything like that. So I'm happy that we have like the vinyl flooring throughout all of the main areas because I hate having like carpet. They just get like so much dirtier. So it's nice that we have the plank flooring like throughout all of the main living areas.